Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. This side Vani and I'm doing another video on the numerology series I'm doing, and today I'm talking about numerology number 2. So if you're born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th of any month, this video is for you. But specifically today I'm talking about the people that are born on the 2nd of any month, like you could be born on 2nd Jan, you could be born on 2nd Feb, September, October, whatever, and this video is for you. Now, please understand that I'm no guru. I have no clue what I'm talking about. This is just some information that I gathered from the internet, and I love making videos about it. I love talking about it. So please don't take anything to your heart and do your own research before actually believing what the hell I'm saying, okay? Now, these people, the people that are born on number 2 of any month, they are ruled by the moon. अब मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहती हूँ. If you're ruled by the moon, okay, these people, whoever are born on the 2nd, आपकी स्टेबिलिटी इमोशनली और एनी वेज फाइनेंशियली हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, इट विल नेवर गेट स्टेबल. लाइक यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट effort, lot of like lot of discipline. You need to put so much energy into this क्योंकि आपका planet ruled है चांद से. तो चांद is basically, if you know the moon, it sometimes it's full moon, sometimes it's crescent, sometimes it's half. So there's a lot of variations to the moon. So that's why you don't have stability. Like some days you will be the best of your versions, like the best self. Like you guys will do everything productive. You will love your life so much. You will love the energy around you. You will get so attracted to nature. You will have the best time of your lives. And some days you are the most depressed. I will use this word, okay? Depressed, the most saddest person, the most grumpiest person. Like you have a lot of mood swings, okay? And this is because of your ruling planet, and it's not your fault. So just relax. So whenever you feel like this, just connect with God or connect with nature, connect with rain, connect with weather, connect with anything that is um more likely to give you calm. It's gonna, like, listen to music, dance, okay, sing, whatever you like doing, okay. You should just calm yourselves whenever you are in a foul mood to literally, chill your out. But these people are so gentle. They are literally like teddy bears in versions of humans. Like you guys are literally the most gentle soul that anyone can ever meet. Like you guys are so sweet. You will literally, you are so like peace loving. So यहाँ पे कलेश जिनको भी पसंद आता है, तुम्हें होता है कि नहीं यार कलेश मत करो. I will listen to it. I am the peacemaker, literally. You guys are literally the peacemaker. You guys don't like fighting. You guys just want your own peace. You're very calm, extremely gentle, okay, and you understand others feeling so much. Like, for example, if somebody's feeling bad, or if they're feeling sad, or if they're feeling, if they're feeling angry, you are gonna be the first person that will understand them. Like you will be like, oh my god, I'm here for you. Like I completely understand, and I completely get you. And they're extremely loyal. Like this number, like you, if you have friends or if you have family, you will literally give them your all. Like you're so loyal to them, like you would never leave them, and nothing like that can ever stop you from giving your everything to them. Like emotionally ho jaye, mentally ho jaye, everything you can give to these people, right? And you guys are very excellent teamwork skills, okay. Agar tumhara ek project chal raha है and you have a lot of people working on that project, you will make sure that everybody is okay. You will make sure that everybody is good, everybody is happy, everybody is fine, and then only you will proceed with the project. You care about people so much. Like you are the most purest soul, I'm telling you. And you guys are so diplomatic. Like I'm telling you, like your diplomatic skills, like the way you guys handle situations, kudos to you all, because you can literally go into politics. Like it's that level good, okay. And you have very strong intuition. Like if you feel like this is something bad going on, and this is something like very like I don't have good energy and I don't have good gut feeling, you should listen to your gut feeling, because आपकी gut feeling and आपकी intuition इतनी strong होती है because of the moon also. So अगर if you genuinely feel like ये मेरे से ना अच्छी vibe नहीं आ रही, I should not do this, don't do it. Do not do it, because your intuition is always right. Number 2, okay. And you guys overthink too much, okay. When I say too much, I mean too much. You literally overthink about the littlest of things, and it will literally sometimes screw up your mind. Okay, you guys overthink just too much in your life. And I'm not just talking about people, I'm just talking about your own personal life. Okay, for example, your career. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this wrong? Okay, should I not do this? Okay, if I do this, then what? Like, you guys will overthink literally any decision, anything. You guys are very indecisive, so you should, again, calm yourselves down. Okay, and you depend on others approval a lot. Okay, matlab, if you want to really do something in your life, you're gonna first ask your mother or your father or your sister or your brother, or a friend, that, do you think this is fine to do? Do you think it's okay to do? What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Because you really want validation and approval from other people, because number two, एक ऐसी एनर्जी होती है जिसको चाहिए होता है approval from other people, कि मतलब, are they cool with it? What do they think about it? Like, other people's perspective, you guys really really want to hear out. And you guys are extremely caring. Okay, मतलब तुम बहुत caring हो. Like, you guys are the most, like I said, teddy bear in real life. Okay, you guys are the most sweetest soul in the whole world, and that is why people pressure, like, they literally, they love you so much, and people around you genuinely come to you when they have any issues, because they know the kind of people that you are, and they just adore you for it. Okay, but sometimes you can be used, so you should be attentive of that, कि मतलब what is the other people's intention behind it. So thoda thoda relax karo. And I also have a number 2 in my energy, but not number 2. I have a 29 energy in my own space, and I will talk about it in another other video. So I hope you all enjoyed this. And number 2, please take care of yourselves. Okay, you don't have to always take care of other people. You need to take care of yourself also. So with that, please subscribe and like this channel for more numerology videos, or any other video that you would like me to make. Please comment in the please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.